Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find browse theme settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here, now click settings, and now click chat settings. Now here you will find browse themes, click on it, and that's it. Here you can manage your themes, select any theme, and here you can build your own theme. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.